Hello guys, so today I'm back with my channel, Chocolate Lovers, and I think I'm going to be reviewing some slime today. They are not slimes that you usually see, and I gave them some names with my friends that we made them, but here they are, and I'll tell you what ingredients we used for this slimes. So we have our first, let me get our slimes, be right back. Get my slimes, this first one. Let me get my other one. Okay. So our first slime, we have, I call this the gold glitter slime. So, there we go. Oh, I haven't opened this in like a couple days, but this is called, I'll take a little piece. This is called the gold glitter slime. And if it gets really sticky over the night, that's okay because you can just add more Tide. But the ingredients for this slime is, it's kind of sticky right now, but the ingredients for it, as you can see, it's really pretty. The ingredients, and it actually is a really good slime, but the ingredients for it are, so you get glitter glue from anywhere, gold glitter glue or whatever color you want, and then you add Tide to it. And you add little Tide by little, and you'll get your gold glitter slime. Let's get this off. Okay. Oh, jeez, I picked it up. So, yeah, and please do not leave this out sitting. They will dry up. So that was our first slime, the gold glitter slime. You just conceal it, and it will dry that you have. And the next one we have this. It's called we call it the crystal slime because when you stretch it. Okay, this slime is like perfect, like it's much better than the gold slime. This slime is way less sticky. Here, I can take this one fully out, and it's really not that sticky. I mean, it's like slime sticky, but like that's it. And it's really cool, as you can see. I call it the crystal slime. And this one, you take clear glue and you just put Tide in it, and you mix it like normal slime, and it will form this really cool crystal slime, I call it. And if you're not really good at slimes like me, my friend helped me with this one, but not really. If you're not really good at slimes, that's okay. This is a very simple, complex slime. My brother has another one that I'm going to showcase next video. But for this video, guys, this is my the slime that I'm going to show you, the crystal slime, and the gold slime. Let's see if I can showcase this one. And this glitter slime. So it's actually really nice, this glitter one. So we have our glitter one and our Tide and our crystal slime that I just showcased. Anyway, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video from Chocolate Lovers. I have to give out a shout out to Goose Gaming. Please go subscribe to him. And the link in the description. He's made maybe a couple videos like me. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I've made one more video. It's called the back walkover tutorial, and please go check it out and subscribe to my channel and like this video. Whoever likes this video will get a shout out. So bye guys.